Meaning of Finder.
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 Finder. Finder refers to a tool or software program that helps users locate files, folders, or applications on a computer system. The Finder is a default file manager of the macOS operating system and enables users to browse their files visually, open and manage files, and organize them into folders. Users can also use Finder to access external storage devices, networked computers or servers, and connect to cloud-based services. The Finder also provides options for customizing the view of files and folders, as well as performing various actions such as copying, moving, and deleting files.